Find the truth set of 2 over 3 into bracket 3y minus 1 minus into bracket y plus 2 equal to 1 over 3. This is also a type 4 question, that is linear equation involving fractions. So when you take a solution, what we need to do is to count the number of terms over there as usual. So the terms are 1, 2, 3, and we find our LCM. Then we now use the LCM to multiply each of the terms. So looking at what we have here, the LCM is 3. Therefore, I would be having 3 into bigger bracket 2 over 3 into bracket 3y minus 1 minus the LCM times the second term to be equal to the LCM times the third term. So what we have here, this 3 cancels this 3 and this 3 cancels this 3. So now I will be having 2 into bracket 3y minus 1 minus 3 into bracket y plus 2 to be equal to 1 of 1, because there is 1 at the top there. So when I expand this, I should be having 6y minus 2 minus 3y minus 6 to be equal to 1. The next I need to do is to group like terms. So I will be having 6y minus 3y to be equal to 1. Negative 2 crosses to become positive 2. Then negative 6 crosses to become positive 6. So 6y minus 3y gives me 3y to be equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6 is 9. So this brings me to type 1, where I divide both sides by 3. So 3 cancels 3, 3 cancels 9 3 times. Therefore, y is equal to 3. So my truth set, we have y such that y is equal to 3 for the truth set. Number 2, this is what I have. So as usual, the number of terms here are 1, 2, 3, and the denominators are 2, 8, and 4. So the LCM becomes 8. Therefore, when we take our solution, we use the LCM to multiply each of the terms. So I would be having 8 into bracket 4x minus 3 over 2 to be equal to 8 into bracket 8x minus 10 over 8 plus 8 into bracket, then we change this to an improper fraction, where 2 is 8 plus 3, giving us 11 out of 4. Now at this stage, 2 cancels the 8, 4. 8 cancels the 8, 1. 4 cancels the 8, 2. So now from the bracket, I'll be having 4 into bracket 4x minus 3 to be equal to 1, which is outside, 8x minus 10 plus 2 into bracket 11. When I expand this, I will be having 16x minus 12 to be equal to 8x minus 10 plus 22. So this brings me to type 2, where I need to group like terms. I have 16x minus 8x to be equal to negative 10 plus 22, then negative 12 crosses to become positive 12. 16x minus 8x will result in 8x is equal to negative 10 plus 22 is 12 plus 12, giving us 24. So it brings me to type 1, where I need to divide both sides by 8. 8 cancels 24, 3. So x should be equal to 3 as the final answer. Therefore, this is how to solve linear equation type 4. Anytime you have fraction, count the number of terms over there. Find the LCM of the denominators involved. Use the LCM to multiply each of the terms. Cancel out the denominators. Then you expand your bracket, group your like terms, and you reduce to the simplest form.